Good morning, students. I welcome you all in the session of solving your concept sheet, and today's topic is from history, that is know your history, and this has been taken from your chapter number 1, knowing history. And let's learn the question number 1, what you have to do in question number 1. See it carefully. It is your multiple choice question. Here some of the examples or some of the options are given to you, and your question is like, in the beginning of writing was done on the leaves of. If you have learned the chapter, if you have read the chapter, you might be knowing in the beginning of the era, in the beginning of the history period, where the people started writing. So first I'll tell you, I'm giving you the solution of it. It was palm tree. The right answer is palm tree. Now in the same way, your next question. Here you have to read these sentences very carefully, and you have to tell us whether the statement is right or wrong. Suppose if I am reading sentence number 4, ASI means. So what do you mean by ASI? Is it Air Survey of India? No. So it is a wrong statement, because ASI stands for Archaeological Survey of India. Okay. And your next sentence is Indica was written by Megasthenes. So this sentence is correct, because you have also read in your chapter that Indica was written by Megasthenes. So in this way you will complete your rest of the sentences that I have left for you. Now come to the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Here also hints are given to you, and you have to read the sentence and complete the sentence with the help of this hint. Now if I'll take the fourth one. Dash came to the court of Chandragupta. So who was the person who came into the court of Chandragupta? So he was Megasthenes. The right answer is Megasthenes. He came in the court of Chandragupta. Okay. Now any building or a statue or a structure, what do you call it? Any kind of building, any kind of statue, any kind of structure, what do you call it? It will be called, yes, it is called monument. So here I have given you the hint for 2 fill in the blanks, and rest you will be doing on your own. Okay children, now let's come to the last exercise. That is, you have to match the columns. Now here history provides us. Okay, I am taking the third one. History provides us. And what history provides us? It provides us pillar? No. It provides us Europe? No. It provides us prehistory? No. So what will be the right answer? History provides us chronicle record. It gives you the record of the past events, as you all know. Now the next one. Inscriptions were written on. Where they were written? In the ancient times, the inscriptions were written on pillars. The right answer is pillars. And in this way you can do the rest of the match. I hope you have understood? Okay children, thank you.